In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Grammarly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a document into Grammarly. Tailor the suggestions to your needs, and download a polished version back to your computer. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Sign in and make sure you are on the main dashboard, the screen where you'd normally start a new document. Here, look for the Upload or Upload File button. It's usually positioned near the New Document option. Click that button and your computer's file selection window will appear. In the file picker, navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Select the file you want to work on and click Open. If your file is fairly large, give Grammarly a moment to process it. If you ever see an error, make sure the file isn't open in another app and try again. Choosing a commonly used text document format generally works best, and keeping file names simple can help you find the file quickly later. Once the upload completes, Grammarly may ask you to set goals. This step is optional, but it can make a big difference. You can specify who your audience is, how formal you want the writing to sound, and the tone you are aiming for. Think about the context of your document. An academic paper calls for a different level of formality than an internal team update. Select the options that best match your purpose, or keep the defaults if you just want to jump straight into editing. Your document will open in the Grammarly editor with suggestions highlighted. Work through them at your own pace. Click on each suggestion to apply it, or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your intent. Grammarly is great at catching typos and grammar issues, but your judgment matters most for clarity and style. So read each change in context. As you go, remember that Grammarly saves your edits automatically, so you won't lose your work if you step away. When you are satisfied with the revisions, head to the upper left corner of the editor and click the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines. From there, choose Download. Grammarly will export the document back to your computer in its original format, preserving your layout and structure. If your browser asks where to save it, pick your preferred folder. Otherwise, check your Downloads folder. It's a good idea to open the downloaded file once to confirm everything looks the way you expect. That's it. You've successfully uploaded, refined, and downloaded your document using Grammarly. Thanks for watching.